Okay.
Wagwan, Willow. Forward now. Are you mailing son?
Right, me. Yo. Wow, I'm gonna give me a forward. So you see I go on and move.
Alright, so basically me have a job for you. Alright, so you know Ricardo from Upper Room for right up this way. You know they have a restaurant right on a little bit tree.
Oh, yeah.
Right out I swear.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so this is how more you for the for me. See me need you for kidnap him.
I'm kidnap him.
Me need you and your boys and me don't know how you gonna do it, but me just want you for kidnap him. And
Hold on. You know say it all cast, cause
don't worry
so if you
about
kidnap him, I know you could easily go 1, 2, 3 now. You understand?
don't worry about that, Willow. My man Omar. You know say him no normal.
Yeah, I know say him a police.
Him we deal with the ransom, don't worry yourself.
Say me deal with it.
I tell you. Just listen. My call a shots. Just tell me where it costs and it's done.
Alright. So you are one. Just line up piece of cheese. See? Just line up on decent piece of food like you know.
You can't tell me man or yourself, money is no issue.
Alright, so you me go do. So I go make a link and call for me to add them. See? And then we touch base.
As soon as possible.
Take me number, man.
Even this evening.
Yeah, your phone by you.
Can't give me.
Alright, if you don't have a number, just give me a feel.
Just ring my phone.
Alright, put in a number. Alright, so me call us in?
Yeah.
Alright.
I just do the doing it, you see me, as soon as possible, even tonight.
Alright.
Tonight, tomorrow, just make it done as soon as possible.
Alright.
Remember now, make it done as soon as possible. Big up yourself. So we're gonna have fun today, baby. Careful. Don't run up. You're waiting on mommy. Huh?
May I go down there?
But it's deep over there too.
Not the deep part, the other side.
Oh, all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go over there then. Or you don't want you want to do we can go in the middle here. It's more shallow over there.
Okay.
Right? Oh gosh, it's only a pity when I get to care Ari. Our father come here early this morning. I should I love you now. Alright, we could go over there now. Oh. Just the she love the water. Here's someone. First place in the water, Salua. Salua, yeah. Yes, Salua. Okay, sure. Don't go too far. Girl, I'm happy that you're here with me. You know, it's really good to have a friend like you. At least Uncle Terry has passed one. You know, you're here to support me because you know he was my very favorite uncle, and it's going to be a rough day tomorrow. It's really going to be a rough day. So at least we're here. You know, tonight is the big day out. So girl, of course, you know, Terry and my uncle too. We used to carry go to school. So, you know, me after the year, this are the least, you understand me? But I'm still can't believe in gone though. So sad. It's really sad. You know what's even really extremely sad? The fact that somebody literally took him out, you know. If it's a case where he was sick and all, it would be, you know, but to know that somebody took him out, like, it's really sad. But, you know, life goes on, and trust me, there is a God. Yes. I'm here for you. You know, Mega always there, pray with you and say, you know. I appreciate that, Tanisha. Just girl. And despite all that's going on, I mean, you know, at least Omar, as he said, he's got so much errands to do. So he's there at the house. God knows what he's doing, but he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He can cook, he can do whatever, you know. Help himself. Exactly so. He probably show up tonight at the wake, right? The wake, yeah. I don't know. But let's see. All right, Kelly. You all right?
Say alright.
Mm-hmm. Listen, when is a Shana come back?
Oh, don't worry about that, man. She'll come back by Friday.
Mm. So that means I get to see this weekend.
No try. No try, man. Even Saturday evening can come up here. There?
Okay, listen.
Don't worry yourself. I want some fresh air. Kind of sit the balcony yet.
The man takes my bottle just to draw it for buy me.
Just a draw.
It's so ready.
Alright.
Like I need the money by next week.
Alright, no problem. No problem. No one that look nice to you. You think
On the bed here too.
you could get the one that will make can hold on fun. You see the chest of draw? Make sure you say you have a place that me can put my gun in it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. Come here, I'll show you something. Alright, sit up here, son. I'm starting. See the moon. Beautiful.
I thought you were considering Ariana. She got a reading class today. Oh, well. So, siya mistress mo? Oh, God. First thing, who's the game? You still may answer what you do this. She's alright, though. He's alright, I don't know. I'm saying she because her mom obsessed with her. Yes. But the baby's okay. Um, um, just so you know, I saw her phone, but something happened. The card was here, and you know, we were discussing about us, not talking about the way to that, when we decided that, okay, then we're going to give you, but not give the money. Okay. Which is awesome, which is, you know, what I wanted. And now while we were here, it's one thing, and suddenly I was like, you know, I heard a little noise, I think, in one of the downstairs. It was Omar. Same condition, man. Tanisha, I was so shocked. You catch it? No, I can laugh because he did not. And then they look for you. So, Rebecca, I never know Ricardo was, I don't know, what was the type of sports? Like, he's a climber. Omar flash, sorry, Ricardo flash through the door, climbed the rail. Oh, wait, I say, don't see this. Girl, what I say? Look at the scene, bro. Well, that's another point. Mrs. Williams from a plastic right garden. They know she knows that no. Tanisha, I'm in some deep stuff right now. She even came by talking about goals. She wants to, like, she coming off like, she wants to block me, like, she wants to go to Omar. Yes. And she even said, I have to give her something, you know. So she wants to move for another one. I was like, okay, baby. I'm going to give him a phone. I gave her a phone. And I gave her the phone and I had to tell Omar that her phone got lost. It's like she how she went out. I'm worried because if she ever does, as a matter of fact, I'm thinking something, but let me get that stay for now. Let me, I'm not even going to say my last word for you, but let that stay for now. So, anyways, Omar, when Omar was coming in, you know, we were watching him from downstairs. And then I saw the kind of fresh here, go on, straight, like I didn't even. It's my zone. Outside the veranda, but downstairs. I was like, this man, like, wow. But anyways, I'm happy he did because I did not work so hard. So, no problem. That's another one. I just sorted something out. We ran the police station. Tomorrow is me. Oh, thank God, girl. I'm like, oh my God. Then, let's listen to this. Yes, of course. And this is the one? Yes, of course. Oh my gosh. Even once I say, what Tanisha said a big self? It could be somebody thinks that's something you have on. But it's weird. I don't want to go over that stories and lives. You can't. So basically, you're just the best one exactly. And she is exactly girl. You can't be that. I'm like, but you know, I'm just happy that Omar didn't see what I chose. That would have been an awful thing. And then in that Omar just be like, why have you been calling your pocket? And I'm not getting attention. And he goes all there, yes. I haven't seen him. You don't even mind the restaurant. Or to one restaurant down this one. That's strange. I haven't seen him. He's not getting to the house. So he's like, I don't have a phone. How from those one? I call him multiple times. It's true, multiple times. I'm no response. So, I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, I have a plan and I know that it's a master plan, so I'm going to ensure that I execute that plan. And all the Taylor, myself, and my family doing all the restaurants. It's just like a record to us. I just feel it, I just feel that everything I know is coming back together. It's real. Trust me. With all this, I just want everything to be fun. I want, you know what I'm thinking to where we're just like to one place, probably Sunday. We can just bring the kids and I'll take them to go right along the street. Sure, as Smarties, from their Smarties. Oh, yeah, you can bring that to Infinity. Anyway, was ice cream receiver and also I go a little crazy on them. Likewise, scary for the ice cream. So, yeah, so then I was ice cream. Or we can bring them very close. So I want to decide that. Anyone, so yeah. I know it's going to America with the plan that I have. I need some master plans to share. Share some anyone. I'm thinking of work on. Yes, so. Oh, when I got them, oh, girl. You know what, I always on the we'll finish here over here and something. Ricardo.
Hello? Babe, what's wrong? Shana. I want you. Eh? What want you, Shana? Shana, talk to me now. What is this? Eh? Shana, what is this?
Man, I have something to tell you.
I'm listening.
Please forgive me.
Shana, what do you mean forgive me? What?
Man, please forgive me.
Sit up and talk to me. Want you?
Your brother Ricardo broke into the house. He beat me up because I told him that I was going to tell you.
Wait, hold on. Shana, what you ask to me? My brother?
I didn't know it was your brother because you never introduced us. You never told me you had him as a brother. I never knew anything about you both as a brother.
Shana, I'm confused. What do you mean? Talk to me.
Babe, one day I was driving down the road with Kelly. And I stopped at the shop to buy something. And when I went into the shop, I saw a picture of you and the guy on the wall. And I asked, how do they get your photo and why they have your photo up in the shop?
Which shop? Which part of the shop there?
It was a shop in the other community. Up by where they have the ATV tours.
Up a Ruin River?
Yes, the river. No. I asked the guy, why do you have Omari's photo in the shop? And he was like, wait, you know my brother? I was like, that's your brother? And he said, yes.
So how we reach to this? How we reach here, so Shana?
I don't know, but I said to him, that's not your brother. And I was like, there's no way you should have his picture hung up in a shop. Why would you have it hung up in a shop? And then I left with Kelly and I came home. Now while I was driving home, I saw a vehicle was trailing me.
A vehicle?
Yes, was trailing me, but then the vehicle drove past. After the vehicle drove past, I saw your brother riding on a bicycle. I came in. After I came in, right after I was closing the door,
Shauna. Listen, what do you mean? Talk to me, no man.
As I was closing the door, he called out to me, but then I closed the door and come inside. I left the front door open, right? And I put Haley to sleep and I was laid down right here. And while I was here, dozing off, I just felt a hand over my mouth. When I opened my eyes, it was your brother. And he took disadvantage of me.
This does sound like my brother.
But
What do you mean took disadvantage of your Shauna?
he took disadvantage of me. And he said, listen. He took out my gun and he said, listen, if you tell you about this experience, he's going to kill me. And he's going to kill my picnic. And I must remember that my brother is always not around.
Hold on, Shauna. Hold on. Me I want.
Babe, I was afraid to tell you.
Shauna, hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on. This a person, yeah? So in the eyes of Shauna?
When he came here today, he beat me up. And he said I shouldn't tell you, and I should know that my brother don't want me. And he's the one who should have a family. And if I think my brother wants me.
So Shauna, say hand cut bad?
Yes, he sliced it because when he was hitting me, I held my hand out to block it, but then he sliced me.
So honey, what? Alright, baby, hush. I'll get to the bottom of this here. I'll get to the bottom of this.
He said, you don't want me. He repeated it while he was beating me. He said, can you think my brother want you?
He tell you that?
Yes, he said that. And he said, yeah. He said that you have another family in St. Paul.
Allah ya tell Shauna, what up?
He showed me the pictures.
Shauna, you know, say a long time, me know, say, my little brother bad mind. You know? Because what kind of lie that you tell about me have family or something?
I have no more water left in me.
Shauna, look at. Stop it crying. Here? Stop it crying. Me on. Alright, Miss come here. Here, Shauna. Sue, come man. Don't worry yourself, man. Sue, come. Just. Hold this up. Hold this just in case he come back. I go look for him here. Shauna, just stop it crying, man.
Hey, Omar, anyway up there right now. We don't have to do real fast, please. Omar, the anyway up there right now, please. Don't have to fast. see anyway up there now. Yes, alright.
Ricardo! Uncle, that's Ricardo.
No, sir. Me not see boy for mine, man. Me been gone crossway, what's up?
Which part?
What's up by bush here?
Uncle, you don't know what I'm saying? I worked with you a while ago. A woman a call me a ball. When we come home and see her, the whole her face bruise up. Yeah, and her eye thump out and something.
Ricardo do that.
She a tell me say Ricardo do it.
Why?
Eh?
He's a puzzle me. Me know Ricardo is so bad to that, man.
No, but what me I say? No trouble you want me put myself in a...
Right away.
I should check me family. Even though I'm a brother still.
Yes, you agree, man. You agree. Ricardo have a drip up. We have a drip him up, man.
Where you saying gone? Which way you saying gone?
In Ghana, over Paris here. Everybody might take all the river silent.
Alright, no worries, sir. No tell him something, nobody tell him something come here, you know.
No, me not.
Yeah?
What do you, man? Me big on that, man.
Alright, no super.
Powerful.
Yo, my G,
Yes.
boy gone nice shop, you know.
Make sure I back the way using it. Easy if you work, you know.
Alright, so anytime so we grab him and me knock your bus.
Yeah, man.
Ready,
Make
you
sure
know.
I back the way you.
Alright, yeah, man. Yo, Blacks, put on your mask now, ready, you know.
Alright, ready.
Yo, see my coming in. No, don't make easy to say I got a mask. Yo, grab him.
Yo, what is?
No, man, yo, wrong hand, relax, yo, what on, you open your door, shut up. No, wrong hand, you can have a story else. Go on, go. Wrong hand, yo. Yo, relax yourself, no man.
Yeah. What's on Rick, my name, you know. Rick. A wrong man, you know. Believe me, man.
Face, you know.
Believe me, brother. A wrong man, you know. Believe me.
Yo, you don't know what you do. You don't know what you do.
What me do?
All right. You'll find out, you know. Yo, blacks. Yo, take out your phone and call him.
Go, man, be good, brother.
No, man, call him phone and make me know. Make him know so we have him.
Go, man, good, man.
All right, relax yourself.
Yeah.
Where you going, man? What in a dear? Yo, John was star. Yo, where you going, man? Hey, you know what I say? There's a report that came a while ago. I pass through, man. What? See me, I just come and work in a yard. Yeah, man, look at. Glad to see you, man. But what I tell you? You know what I say? We just come from a station. We go make a report because me see then just kidnap me, my brother.
The brother?
Yeah.
Now what you say to me?
But me I tell them say, and they not have to give me no good vibes in there as a fellow policeman. You get me? I say,
A man like you, where everybody know one idea.
so me I tell them, man,
Yo, we for squad 4. How are you, man? You don't know who you. No, I'm not forgetting them attacking them, man.
talk to a little idiot woman.
Yo. So what you say happen now?
But yo, as me I say, you know, I be a new face in there. I'm not too trust them, you know. What me I look is somebody were serious. I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, man, you know, say me hear about you, you know. One of them must say, you know, must be a reason, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, say hear about me too still.
No.
Respect, man, because we come from way back.
Party leg, man.
See that, man?
Yeah, man, the party leg, you know. But on a serious level, though, me need to find out who kidnapped me, brother. As I say, your division, I say, most know the hoodlums them boy place or war going or something. But if you know any information about war going,
Just a man. Just lay down and just tell me everything what go on and so forth. You don't know, say me is a man on the street too.
alright.
Any little info you want, you don't know you go.
So basically, me down off and leave, you see me? And there I'm a pass from baby mother, the woman.
Oh.
So she tell me, say, my brother, cut her from the hand. You see me, I say?
Yo, brother, cut your baby mother
Yeah.
on her hand.
So if me say me I go look for him, discipline him.
Oh.
You understand? But he never there yard. So me say, me I look around the place. Look around. There's a white truck. A Benz, one of them Benz Sprinter truck there.
Yeah.
One of them me see that like them put him in. You understand?
So you didn't get no, you not really look on the plate still, but.
No, me never get to see the plate. The beats all shut off of them, man.
For real?
Yeah, man, but
How many never get that?
the beats all shut off of them, man.
Oh, dear.
You see me? What else me I say? Any information I get about him?
No,
just-
man, you how dear, man.
Come
That one a win a youth.
We gonna need a partner, man. As me I say, me can't trust them people in a station, there, bro.
Virgin, me say me and you come from squad 4. No squad 4, me tell you. And way back. Don't worry yourself, man. Me have your back, man.
Yeah, man, no worries, sir. Me I go in and refresh myself.
Yeah.
I say,
But
I'm exhausted.
why you dress me to, you look like I want judge to write it. Why you like you ranks up, man?
No,
Yeah.
man, a court me I come from, man.
Oh.
Court me go a court to them, man. But they have a little case down a court house.
Oh,
So
okay.
they come down for tough. You
Yeah.
understand? So
Why-
stay down for a while.
It's a pleasure to see you, man. Long time. You know.
Yourself, man.
Way back. Don't worry yourself, man. Just link me.
Yeah, man, but watch out now.
Yeah.
Give me a number. Cause, as I say, we done for a while.
Man, don't worry yourself. Man, how are you, man?
Yeah, man, just show up, man. Me show it.
Let me see it as. You don't know me already.
Yeah.
Leg. Party leg.
Alright. Yo, respect you know. I see. Yo, be safe here.
Virgin, you say me have a back, man. You have one of them, man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, just look out here. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool,
Yeah.
boss.